Please turn to pages 114 and 115 in your student book. When you write sentences for a story summary, you tell the important events in the order that they happened. We're going to look at a little girl, Abby's draft, and she wrote a summary for Whistle for Willie. Later, she took out and moved one sentence. I'm sorry, she didn't take it out, but she moved it because it didn't make sense in the order that she had it in. Let's look. Peter kept trying to whistle. He practiced in a mirror. He went into his house. Well, he went into his house. He practiced in a mirror. If he wasn't in his house, how could he do that? So she took he went into his house and moved it between Peter kept trying to whistle and he practiced in a mirror. Because in that order, that is how it happened in the story. So let's look at Abby's final copy before we revise our own. Whistle for Willie. Peter kept trying to whistle. Then he went into his house. He practiced in a mirror. When Peter's mom saw him, he pretended to be his dad. Then Peter went outside. He saw Willie, so he hid under the curtain. Finally, Peter whistled and Willie ran to him. Peter was so happy. All right. Abby did a great job keeping only the most important details in her summary. So let's look at the bottom of page 114. Here is the checklist I want you to use as you revise and make your final copy today in writing. Did you tell the events in order? Do you need to add more important details? Or do you have the most important things that happened in the middle of Whistle for Willie? Also, did you use the correct pronouns? Remember all of the things we have been learning in grammar this week. Make sure that you apply that to your writing. So now it's your turn. It's your turn to revise with these things in mind and make your final copy on a clean sheet of lined paper or in your composition notebook.